Hi guys, welcome back. Please subscribe.
Hello my lovely friends, you're most welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super duper welcome. Alright guys, check below, you see the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so on today's video I want to share with you how to clear wrinkles from your hand. Like how to have a ever young looking hand. Like no matter how the wrinkles are on your hand, with this receipt, if you're consistent, I tell you that you are gonna get rid of all those wrinkles. So alright guys, without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video.
So the first thing I'm gonna be needing for this video is olive oil. So I have my olive oil, so I'm just gonna add lemon juice to it. This is a simple homemade remedy that has proven to be very effective in curing wrinkles. So these are some of the benefits of olive oil and lemon. Olive oil not only prevents the wrinkles but also softens the fine lines of wrinkles. Olive oil consists of antioxidants like vitamin E, phytosterol, and phenols. Olive oil, when externally applied, prevents the premature skin aging and helps against UV rays. And it also helps from free radicals which damage the skin. The presence of vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon juice protects the skin from free radical damage, repairs the skin and slows down the effect of aging. Massage lemon juice on the wrinkles just as I'm going to be showing you on this video. The compound alpha hydroxy acid does wonders, making the skin brighter and gets rid of fine lines, blemishes and wrinkles. Guys, let me just apply it here so you can see that it's not harmful to the skin. Of course, you guys all know that I don't have wrinkles, at least at this age, not yet guys. So I just want to apply this so you can see how the outcome will be. So guys, this is how you apply it. You apply it and then allow it to dry off. You can even carry it throughout the day. It doesn't have a bad smell. You can carry it. But if your skin is very sensitive to lemon, then you might need to rinse after like 30 minutes. You can see how smooth and fresh this place is looking by just applying.
Alright my lovely friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.